माशाल्लाह ये मंाज़र जो आप देख रहे हैं ज़बरदस्त। हमारे शकील साहब हैं जो चेयरमैन साहब हमारे, और इस कैबिन के जो इंजॉय कर रहे हैं मंसूर साहब हैं माशाल्लाह। और बाहर का जो मंज़र है जी, मंाज़र के साथ साथ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। आज हमारा जो टारगेट है वो दूसरा एक शहर है जिसका जीब के क्या नाम है उसका, मैं बार बार नाम निकल जाता है ज़हन से। तो दोस्तों अभी हमारे सफ़र के दौरान हमारे साथ एक फ़ैमिली जो है मोरक्को की, वो जो खातून हैं वो डॉक्टर हैं यहाँ, उनकी बेटी जो है वो इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रही है, और एक दूसरी बेटी अभी कुछ सो रही है, वो जागेगी तो उससे भी पूछेंगे। अभी हम कुछ गुफ्तगू करेंगे इंग्लिश के अंदर, जस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन लेने के लिए कि यहाँ का जो कल्चर है मोरक्को का, इसके अंदर जो लोग हैं वो किस तरह की सोच रखते हैं, मुसलमानों के मतलब क्या सोचते हैं क्या मतलब। अभी हम कुछ कन्वर्सेशन हम करेंगे ताकि ये भी हमारे ट्रिप का एक यादगार हिस्सा जो है वो शामिल हो जाए। I will like to ask you first, you are a doctor from profession. In which direction you are doctor? You have specialist doctor for some special field? Are you doctor in a special field or just normal doctor?
I am lecturer for oncology.
Okay. And
the Foundation in Morocco.
Okay. How many years you have to study to be a full doctor?
7 years to study.
7 years,
Yes.
like other countries. Yes.
Study. And after I have the specialty.
Yes.
One the treatment of the pain. And in the pain.
Yes.
One years.
Okay. And it is quite same like Pakistan. When some family is like doctor or professor, their children are always going in good directions, like your daughter is going to be an engineer because you are a doctor, so you like that your children also has to learn good to be she is going to be an engineer. And your other daughter, she is living, what is she learning? Yes, what is she studying?
She is studying into the school of business.
Business.
Yeah.
Business. And have you been ever in Germany for a visit?
No.
Never.
No, never.
So we welcome you there in Germany. When you are next time there, so you just inform us. One of our friends will help you there to show Germany, Frankfurt or somewhere. Whenever you come, you will be welcomed because we are living all in Germany. And when you plan to visit Germany, you can just inform us. I can give you the number or some friend give you. You just inform. We will give you good information about Germany and help you. Yes?
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe you can translate.
Thank you.
And you, as an engineer, how many years you have to learn to be an engineer? 5 years. And it is very good education system in Morocco. Yeah, you are living in Fez.
What kind of engineering?
Digital engineering. So anybody if likes to ask some question, you can just ask some question because she is a doctor.
What part of Morocco you are? What part of Morocco you live?
Business.
Where is that?
Hey, there was a city when we were traveling. They came this.
Okay. So you are going to on holidays or to meet somebody? Holidays to
Okay.
Tanjir. Okay.
How many holidays now you have here in nowadays? Children have holidays from the school? There, yeah? How long?
For
4 weeks. 4 weeks. Okay. Very nice. Have you been ever in any other Islamic country?
yes.
Where you went? Saudi. Saudi.
Yes. For
Okay.
the Mecca.
For Mecca. Okay, they're very nice. I didn't understand what she's. I am Muslim. Yes, you. We are all from Pakistan. Sure. We all are from Pakistan.
We have studied in the same college in Pakistan, and then now we are old students, and then we have an association, and then we travel.
Because that the Pakistan and the end you have the number religions.
Yes. Origin, you mean? Yep. You know, Pakistan is very famous for fanatical Muslims. They are always very strict as a Muslim. But you have to be obeying God. What God says, what Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, that is the most important. Yes, Hazrat Muhammad.
You have the Sunni.
No. We in our country there are a lot of different directions.
Sunnis,
but
Shias,
we,
Yes.
you know,
we
we are not Sunni. I tell you one thing. It is very true. We have to know about that. Everyone has right to say it is wrong or it is good. According to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, for 1500 years ago, he made a promise that there is a person coming in my ummah, Imam Mahdi. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us, and we all people, we are traveling 20 people. We say this Imam Mahdi has come in the world. We believe that, and this Imam Mahdi has the responsibility to bring all the Muslims together under one umbrella, that we make peace in the world. So that is the we belong to these people who believe
You
that.
can say close to Sunni.
That is
Same
like
beliefs
that.
as Sunni.
But any special thing, what will you suggest us when we are in the city? किथे जा रहे हैं? Tanjil. What will you suggest us that we should not miss this place when we are going there? What will you suggest? In Tanjil, yeah.
Famous places.
Yes.
Cornish.
Some Hula. What is that? This is a special building or mosque or what is? Historical place. How is your name? Hercule.
Hercules.
Hercules. Hercules. Okay. Yeah. We.
I lived there.
Okay.
Hercules.
Not now.
Hercules.
Very interesting.
Hercules. Yes.
And
We say Hercules. We say Hercules.
have you ever in your whole life or in your family ever knew some Pakistani person in your country? Have you ever contacted some Pakistani people? Never. Really?
And yes,
First time.
First time. The first time.
Oh,
We are
really?
19 people. Here
We travel
19 together.
We travel in the Morocco.
Yes.
Visiting
We
Morocco.
fly.
Yeah.
We come to Hafiz. We go to Tanjir. Then we will go to Rabat and Casablanca and back to Fez. 1 week tour.
And where are you coming from? The France?
I tell you a bit about
We
I can-
live now Germany.
Yes. لا نينجا.
We
France.
live now in Germany, but
here.
we study many years.
I tell you
in Pakistan. Yes.
I tell you a bit more. All of us came to Germany maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. They came alone, then they got the family there. We are living in different cities in Germany, but all the people went to the same school in Pakistan, college. That the name is TI College, and they are all together now, traveling. Last year we went to Bulgaria all together, just to have a
By
fun
birth
together.
we are in
That's
Pakistan,
right.
but now we are living in Germany. We are mostly pensioners.
Oh yeah. So, okay, you can come. एक बारी फिर के लिए आप इसका दे.
And this place is so far from the coast.
Yes. In the ولاد الزهور وليدي.
Welili. जगह जी Welili.
हाँ बस.
जितने ruins ने.
अच्छा. One thing what is very important, people like you are a doctor, you are working for government or you have a private clinic, private doctor.
No, I am with the
with some hospital or like that?
Clinic. I am not a clinic.
Okay.
Private practice.
Private. No. Okay. Okay, very nice. But how much is the difference in Germany and in Morocco, like a doctor or like an engineer? Monthly income you get paid. Is it good here as a doctor or it's not? Yes, it's good as a doctor. Very good wages. Very nice. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much for giving the time. You make us all very happy. Thank you.
I am very happy to meet you.
Thank you very much.